with Notary to Notary, and I am here with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Oh, hi.
And this is a really special offer for all of our YouTube members. So this is just for YouTube members. So if you want to join the YouTube membership, make sure you go to our YouTube channel and join there. It's only $1.99. Remember to join. So today, my mom has finally decided to join the Notary fold, and I am going to record her entire process and show you guys how easy it is to go from not being a licensed notary at all, where she doesn't even have her notary license, to becoming a six-figure earner. So you're gonna follow her process over the next 2-3 months. It shouldn't probably take that long for her to start earning that six figures that I always talk about in my book and on our training modules and on all of my social media platforms. So anything you want to add?
I'm excited. I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, so the first video you're going to see is going to be me explaining to her what a notary is, how to get her license, all the basics as far as completing notarizations goes. And then from there we'll go on. I'm going to follow the exact course outline that's in the training at notarytonotary.com. So everything I'm teaching her is online at notarytonotary.com, but this is an exclusive look for people who are wondering, you know, is this really real? Does it work? I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and this is just for our YouTube members. So if you want to join the membership, make sure you go to youtube.com, go to the Notary to Notary channel, and register today. And our first video will actually come out later on today, worst case tomorrow, as long as I can get it edited, which is going to be showing all the basics to getting started as a notary. So follow her journey from not being a notary at all to being a six-figure earner in the next 3 months at the latest. So stay tuned. Until next time, happy signing. You got to do it too.
Happy signing.
At the same time, happy signing.